You say pennies. I don't want no pennies in my pasta.
Penne. Like.
I don't want no pennies. Don't put no pennies in my pasta. I don't want that in mine. You can keep the pennies. Just give me the food.
Penne. Penne.
Oh, it's called today. Oh, I thought you said you put some pennies in it. I don't want to put no change in my food. You keep that. Don't put no type of money in mine. Just give me the.
This is correct.
The sauce that is that's homemade sauce.
Yes.
Made it.
Huh?
You made it.
Yeah. Like it's going right now.
Oh, it's creamy.
Yeah. Should be.
All right. You put salt and pepper in there?
Yeah, I put Italian seasoning. I have my own seasonings. Like I concoct together garlic, salt, pepper, everything. I'm Italian and Mexican. We season everything. A little bit too much.
What happened? Man, it's still raining out there. I'm gonna walk. I ought to walk out there with the camera and show you.
Raining outside? It's so nice.
I took it right before I took a shower. It was raining.
It's nice in Denver today. It's all sunny and nice and pretty.
Mm-hmm. That's definitely the country. Yeah, bro, I'm in the country, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm where there ain't no street lights, my boy.
Black, what are you doing?
Let me tell you this. Amber, you know you actually a good person for real.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
And I like how you always smiling. You ain't never in a bad mood. I like that for you.
Yeah, never. No, life is too short.
Yeah, it is. And my attention span is too short. But every time I come over here with you, it's real long. I can always pay attention to you. You know?
I appreciate that.
Yeah, and them pants fit you just fine. And that shit. Yeah.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah, you welcome. I like that for you. And you can cook too.
Yes, I can cook. I love to cook. It's like my love language. Like I love to cook, to make food for other people. Thank you, Black.
Who you cooking for?
My kids.
All of the kids?
Yeah. Every day.
Like your stepkid?
Huh? No, my kids.
I said I'm your stepkid.
Oh. You want to also eat over here?
I'm hungry. That whole time y'all thinking I'm talking crazy. I'm really talking about the food. I'm really like talking about the food. I'm big. That's what we do. We eat, right?
That's good though.